couple of ways to do a campaign. We can click on campaign and we're going to create a new campaign. You can put a keyword up here like auto body, or you can just do here local. You can go over here and go local and go auto body, city, San Diego. I'm going to give you the cities I want you to do. Countries, United States. You go down here, California, and then you go ahead and search like that. And it's going to go ahead and it's going to start searching all of them. All auto body in San Diego. It'll start pulling every business off the internet in auto body. Okay, there's one right there. And it just keeps going. It's that simple. You see what's going on my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now, when it's all done, I'm going to stop it when it gets about 15 or 20 so that we can keep moving. It could find 100, 200. It could find a lot. Who knows how many different auto body shops it's going to find, but it's going to find all of them. As long as I put the correct city in here, San Diego in the correct state, you want the correct state and the correct city and the correct keyword, it will pull them all. So I'm going to pull about 20 of them. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to stop it and then go to the next step, and then you'll see how it works. It's not complicated. It's probably the easiest program I've ever used. Easiest. Pulls
Yes, sir.
really,
I think so.
yeah, and it pulls a lot of data. See here, it's getting their web address, their physical address, their phone number, name of the business. It's doing all the heavy work for you. So we're going to go ahead and stop it.
Plumber.
Right. Stop it, and then I'm going to go dig deep. See the dig deep right here? I'm going to click dig deep, right? Now it's going to refine all the data. I'm going to go it's pulling. See, what it's doing is it's taking the raw data and it's even sifting it more to give you more thorough information about each one of those records. Okay? So you go dig deep. It's going to dig deep right now, and then when it's done digging deep, it's going to have a final file, and the final file is what we really want because that's got all the choice information. See, it's just processing right now. It's working slow because I'm recording the session. I've got a lot of things open on my screen. Normally it will dig deep very quickly. It'll just buzz right through the data and it will give you the final records very cleaned up, you know, with all the relevant information. Just depends on you don't want a lot of things running in the background on your computer. You want to keep all your see it says it's not responding and then it's responding. See, because I'm recording the session, Dad, it's eating a lot of memory on my computer. You want to make sure all your browsers are closed. Don't have a lot of emails open, a lot of crap like that when you're using this. Have this open running by itself. See it already. See where it says 97%? It's already cleaned up 97% of the data right up here. See right up there, 97%. So it's going to pop the final file in a minute, and then when I open the file, you'll see what it looks like. It has all the cleaned up data, has the email address if they have one. It says right here, companies with email 7, email address 16. It gives you the breakdown over here of what's going on with the data. And once again, all you need to do is get the owner's name. Pretty much. I mean, that's generally the only thing that's really missing is the owner's name. You know,
Mm-hmm.
See, it's got a lot of the email addresses there. It's 100% right there. Now I'm going to let it process and I know it's done, and then I'll show you how to pull the final data. Okay, it's at 100%. Now what I'm going to do is go up here and click campaign. So first thing I clicked on was local. Now I'm going to click campaign right here. Now it's going to get all the data from that. There it is right there. There's all the auto body right there. Okay. Now I'm going to export. Now I click export. It's going to ask me if I want all the data, select all data. So I'm going to type this as auto body. And that, once again, I will give you the niches. I will give you the niches that I want you to pull, and I'll give you the cities and the states. It's real simple. Just follow my directions. I click
Okay.
OK. Okay, it says, do you want to open the file? Yeah, I want to open the file. There's the file right there. There it is right there. Some of them don't have web addresses. You need to go out and see if they got a website. Some of them don't have websites. You know, you need to,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
Some of them don't have all of them don't have the business owner's name. I can tell you that. You can get lucky once in a while and get an email address. Like you'll get an email address, and that email address might have the owner's name in it, but generally, you don't get that lucky. You know. So you go down here. I don't there's a guy's name, Jay Alexander at Streamline, but you don't usually get that lucky. But in that case, that guy, I don't know his first name. It could be John or Jay or who knows what his first name is. He got a first initial, last name, but that's all we got. So that's pretty much it for that.